guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I have the CVS deals starting on the 1st of April. So starting on Easter Sunday. So CVS is open on Easter. So you can get to CVS and get your deals on Sunday. So I'm just going to share with you guys everything that's going on. Alrighty, so this week the Starbucks bag coffee, these are on sale for $6.99. And as well as the 10 count K-Cups, they're also on sale for $6.99. And then don't forget to submit your rewards to your Starbucks app to earn your points for free drinks. And this week is P&G week, so when you spend $20 or more on select products, you're gonna get a $5 extra care buck back. So we're getting $1 off 1 coupons for Bounty and Charmin, so that's always a great time to go ahead and do the paper towel toilet paper deal. Because our last P&G, we only got 25% off coupons. So this time we're getting $1 off 1. So what you want to do is buy 2 Charmin or Bounty at $9.99 each. Now, if your store does the percentage off, 98%, you'll be good here. But if not, go ahead and add in a 99-cent Dawn dish soap. So your total will be $20.97. And then use 2 of the $1 off 1 coupons for Bounty and or Charmin. And then go ahead and send a 25-cent coupon for Dawn detergent to your CVS app, or I think it's in the P&G as well. So you would pay $18.72, then get back $5 in extra care bucks. So final cost is $12.72. So not bad for toilet paper and paper towel and a dish soap. So really good deal there.
C.
Is that the letter C? Very good, son. Okay, so next deal is on Tampax tampons and Always pads. So these guys are on sale 2 for $8, and we're getting a 3 off 2 coupon from the April P&G. So when you combine that coupon, they're going to be 2 for $5. But if you got that 2 off of 2 CVS CRT for tampons or pads, then final cost is going to be 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. And one of you had asked for a breakdown for some pads, so I think that's a pretty good deal. And also the Tampax and Always, they are included in that spend 20, get 5. So you could definitely load up on these if you need them. So next deal is on Woodbridge wine. So these guys are on sale for $8.99, and you're gonna get a $5 extra care buck when you buy 2. So buy 2 of them for $17.98. Earn a $5 extra care buck back, so final cost is $12.98 for 2 or $6.49 each. So pretty good deal there. And then the Gold Emblem grocery items. These guys are on a spend 15, get 5, and we have a ton of printable coupons that you can go ahead and print from cvs.com/coupons. And this would be a good time to stock them on Trail Mix, because I saw in the ad they're $4.99, and they're a printable $1 off 2 coupons that you can get from the cvs.com/coupons. That would be a good time to get some bags of nuts or Trail Mix, because those tend to be more expensive. So there's a wide range of groceries that are going to be included. So just remember, spend 15, get 5. So the Skippy peanut butter, these guys are on sale 2 for $5 or $2.50 each. So I think that's a pretty good deal for peanut butter. So the Campbell's condensed soups, these guys are on sale for 99 cents this week. So if you need to grab, a few condensed soups for recipes or lunches or dinners or whatever you need them for, 99 cents, not a bad deal. So 7-Up and Canada Dry 1 liters, these guys are on sale 2 for $2, and you're gonna get a $1 extra care buck when you buy 2. So that makes these 2 for $1 or 50 cents each. So that's a nice little snag. And then if you have a grocery Ibotta offer, then you could submit 25 cents. So you technically might be able to get them for cheaper if that grocery item Ibotta rolls around. So the Bumblebee canned tuna is also on sale for 88 cents a can, which I think is a pretty good deal. The Paparazzi nail polish, these guys are on sale, or they're not on sale, they're regular price, but they're buy 2 and get a $4 extra care buck. I think my store has them 2 for $5, I think, is the price that my store has them at. So if that's the case and you buy 2 for $5, get a $4 extra care bucks, the final cost is 50 cents each. So the Eucerin hand and body lotion, these guys are on a spend 15, get $5 in extra care bucks, and we still have a printable $2 off 1 coupon from coupons.com, but this coupon does expire on the 1st, so you would have to do this deal on Sunday. And then with this deal, go ahead and combine any CRTs. So I have a 2 off 10, so this can be combined with this manufacturer coupon to maximize savings. And then if you have a percentage off coupon, you absolutely could use it here as well. So next deal is on the Nexus Haircare. So they're on a spend 20, get 10. We still have that 5 off 1 coupon from the Red Plum, but it expires Sunday, so you would have to do this deal on Sunday if you want to go out and do it. And then combine a 4 off 18 CRT if this guy printed for you as well. So next deal is on the Suave Professional. So these guys are on sale 3 for $9, and you're going to earn a $3 extra care buck when you buy 3. And we have printable coupons on coupons.com that you can go ahead and print. We have $1 off ones. So you can go ahead and print 3 of them. You could also print a styler coupon as well, because a lot of times CVS will add the stylers to their promos as well. So go ahead and print off $3 off 1 coupons. You can do 2 coupons per device in your house, so you should be able to get 3 prints. So you would buy 3 of them for $9, take $3 off in coupons, so you'll pay $6, get $3 back, so final cost is 3 for $3 or $1 each. Now, if you got a 2 off 2 Suave Haircare CRT, definitely use this guy as well. So the next deal is on the Dial hand soaps. So these guys are on sale 2 for $4, and we still have that insert coupon for $1 off 2, and this came in a Red Plum insert a while ago, but it expires on the 1st. So this is what the coupon is right here. So it's $1 off 2. So when you use the coupon, it comes down to 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. So the next deal is on the Dial body wash. So these guys are 2 for $6, and we still have those coupons. They're buy 1 body wash, get a hand soap or a pack of soaps, 2 or 3 bar packs of soaps for free. And the max value on the coupon is $3.49. So if you wanted to do this deal, you could go ahead and get 2 of your body washes for $6. Use 2 of those buy 1, get 1 free coupons. Then you could still submit to you can submit to Saving Star for $1 on 2. So that'll make everything $5, which I think is pretty good for 2 body washes and 2 hand soaps, or you could do 2 packs of bar soap. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So next deal is on the liquid soft soap hand soap. So these guys are on sale 2 for $4. You're going to get a $2 extra care buck when you buy 2. And we still have those 75% off 1 coupons, and you can print this from coupons.com, or you can use the insert coupon from the free 325 Smart Source. So I have a coupon hyperlinked here for you guys to go ahead and print. So you would pay $2.50, get $2 in extra care bucks. So final cost is 50 cents for 2 or 25 cents each, which is a phenomenal deal. Next deal is on the Venus and Gillette razors. So this is going to be on disposable razors and regular razors. So they're on a buy 2, get $6 in extra care bucks. So we have $3 off coupons coming in the April P&G. So what you want to do is buy 2 of the Venus Simply 3 disposable razors at $8.79 each. Then you can use a $3 off insert coupon from the April P&G. So you would pay $11.98, and then you'll go ahead and get a $6 extra care bucks. So your final cost would be $5.98 for 2. Now, if you have a 2 off 8 CRT for disposable razors, then your final cost would be $3.98 for 2 or $1.79 each. So Enfamil formula, so the powdered formula and the Ready Serve formulas, these guys are spend 40, get 10. And also there's a printable coupon on coupons.com for the Enfamil toddler products. So this might be valid in the promotion. You'll just have to check back on Sunday, but there is a coupon you can use. You can use rebate checks on this, and you can also use a percentage off coupon, because the percentage off coupons that are emailed to you will allow you to use the coupon on baby formula. I've done it many, many times. Alrighty, so the next deal is on the Poise pads. So they are buy 1, get 1 50% off this week, and they're also spend 20, get 5. So what you can do is go ahead and buy, so the scenario I worked up is to go ahead and buy 4 of the 30 count pads for $20.36. 2 of them will bring up 50% off. And then you can use 4 of these 3 off 1 coupons that came in our, I believe it was the Smart Source. So you take a total of $12 off, so you would pay $8.36. Now if you got a 2 off 2 CVS CRT, you can also use this guy, so you would end up paying $6.36 for all 4, and then you get back a $5 extra care buck, so final cost would be $1.36 for 4, or 34 cents each. Now, if you have a 2 off 10 CVS CRT, you could stack up both of these, and that scenario would get you all 4 for free. And then we also have printable $2 off 1 coupons that you can print from coupons.com. So if you're working just off of the $2 coupons, you would pay $10.36, get back $5 in extra care bucks. So final cost is $5.36 for 4, or $1.34 each. I will be adding that breakdown to this blog post. I guess I forgot to go ahead and write that in, but the printable breakdown will have the Poise breakdown for you guys. So that's a really good deal. So next deal is on Physicians Formula. They are spend 14 and get a $10 extra care buck. So if you have a CRT for cosmetics, so this guy printed for me a 4 off 15 and a 3 off 12 printed for me. So definitely use it on that. So the Garnier face masks are buy 2 get 5. So my store has the face mask price for $3.09. So buy 2 for $6.18, you'll get a $5 extra care buck. So final cost is $1.18 for 2. So pretty good deal there. And then CoverGirl Cosmetics, these guys are buy 12 and get a $5 extra care buck. We're getting a 3 off 1 instant coupon from the Rudd machine, and we also have printable coupons on coupons.com. We have a 2 off 1 for the lip products, and then we have a 2 off 1 for the eye products. So go ahead and buy 2 CoverGirl lip glosses. They were $8.99 each. So the lip gloss that I found was this one right here. So total is $17.98. Then go ahead and use 2 of the $2 off 1 lip CoverGirl lip products. And then you can go ahead and use that $3 instant coupon. And if you have that 4 off 15 CRT, go ahead and use that. This is a question I'm not sure about. Can we use the 3 off 15 CoverGirl cosmetic with that 3 off 1 instant coupon and the 4 off 15? Because I'm not sure if we can or not. But if you guys know the answer to that question, let me know, because I'm not sure if I can do a triple stack right there. But in that scenario, go ahead and pay $7.98. Then you're going to earn a $5 extra care buck. So final cost is $2.98 for the both of them. And this is going to track for beauty, so good deal on that too. So the Colgate Total toothpaste and mouthwashes, these guys are on a spend 10 get 5. So my scenario is actually with the mouthwash. So what you want to do is buy 3 of the Colgate mouthwashes, the 500 milliliters. They are $3.99 each. So go ahead and buy 3 of them for $11.97. You can use 3 of the $1 off 1 coupons from coupons.com, or you can use the coupon that came in our Smart Source this past Sunday. So you would pay $8.97, get a $5 extra care buck. So final cost is $3.97 for 3. Now, a few CRTs had printed over the past weekend. So there was a $1 off 5 that printed and a $1 off 1. So in this scenario, you could actually go ahead and use both of these CRTs, because you can do a $1 off 1, and then you could use a $1 off 5, because you're buying a total of 3 of them. So you would be able to use both of them. But yeah, this is a great deal if you have that CRT. So the Crest Pro Health mouthwash is on sale for $4.99. You're going to get a $2 extra care buck when you buy 1. This is a limit of 2. We have $1 off 1 coupons coming in our April P&G, so pay $3.99. You get a $2 extra care buck back, and then if you have a $1 off 1 CVS CRT for mouthwash, this guy is going to drop down to 99 cents, which is really great for Crest Pro Health mouthwash. So the last deal is going to be on the Crest 3D Whitestrips. So these guys are priced for $39.99. You're going to earn a $10 extra care buck when you buy 1. We have a 5 off 1 coupon coming from the April P&G. So you'd pay $34.99, get that $10 extra care bucks, so final cost is $24.99. And then if you have that 3-off-1 teeth whitening kit that printed on Sunday, then your final cost would be just $21.99. So there are a lot of great deals coming up at CVS starting the 1st. Hey, Michelle. So there's some great deals, you guys. So there's going to be a printable breakdown in the description box of this video. And again, my hair is like a freaking mess. Like, I don't know what happens. So there's going to be a printable breakdown in the description box for you guys to follow along. I will add that Poise breakdown for you guys because that's a really great breakdown. So yeah, there are some great deals going. There's a lot going on, so definitely take advantage of getting yourself ready for CVS early. And I hope everyone has a fantastic day, and let me know if you guys are enjoying my CVS matchups so I know to keep on doing them. So I hope everyone's having a fantastic Tuesday, and I will talk to everyone later. There will also be a link to print for all of the printable coupons. I have them hyperlinked, but if you just want to click on the coupon.com link and just take you straight to the coupons, that's fine too. So I will talk to everyone later. Bye.